The 2008 Toyota Tacoma. This is an access cab pickup truck with a 6-foot bed, powered by a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. This vehicle gets up to 25 miles per gallon. This Toyota features custom bumper, a CD player, and bed liner. Safety features include dual front airbags and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, telescoping wheel, and sliding rear window. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Thousand Oaks Toyota, a Carfax Advantage dealer.